starting the game with a popular movie to gather initial feedback on medium, year, rating, and genres. I will click the search box, type Inception, select it from the dropdown, and click Guess. The feedback row is partially obscured by the search dropdown, but the backgrounds of the type, year, and rating cards appear red. Type is red for my guess Inception movie, so target medium equals TV. Year and rating are red arrows obscured. Overlapping genres are adventure and sci-fi green. Action is gray. No overlapping actors or directors. Constraints: TV series, adventure, sci-fi, not action. Avoid Inception. Type card is red for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is 2010 with a red up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating is 8.8 with a red down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.3. Genres adventure and sci-fi are green, action is gray. I will guess Lost in Space 2018, TV series, adventure/sci-fi, rating tilde 7.3 to fit these constraints. The type card is red for the previous Guess Home Alone 2 movie, so target medium equals TV. Year and rating are red arrows obscured. Overlapping genres: comedy is green, family is gray. No overlapping actors or directors. Constraints: TV series, comedy, not family. Avoid Home Alone 2. Type card is red for Home Alone 2 movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year is 1992 with a red up arrow, so the target is newer than 1994. Rating is 6.9 with a red up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 7.4. Genre comedy is green, family is gray. I will guess Parks and Recreation 2009, TV series, comedy, rating 8.6 to fit these constraints. The type card is green for my guess Parks and Recreation TV series, so target medium equals TV. The year and rating cards are red arrows are obscured by the dropdown. The genre comedy is green. No actors or directors overlap. Constraints: TV series, comedy, year is more than 2 years away from 2009, rating is more than 0.5 away from 8.6. Avoid Parks and Recreation. Type card is green for Parks and Recreation, so target medium equals TV series. Year is 2009 with a red up arrow, meaning the target is newer than 2011. Rating is 8.6 with a red down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 8.1. From previous guesses, genres comedy, adventure, and sci-fi are green. I will guess the Orville 2017 TV series, adventure/comedy/sci-fi, rating 8.0, which fits all constraints. I am updating my action sequence to click a dropdown and then click Guess to ensure submission and break the loop. I got it. The answer was the Orville, and it took me 4 guesses. Knowing it was a TV series with the genres adventure, comedy, and sci-fi really helped narrow it down.